Every Sunday, many people do something that completely changes their mindset for the week ahead. It's so simple, but so powerful. They stop and ask themselves, what am I grateful for today? Hello, and happy Sunday. In the busyness of daily lives, it's so easy to let the little blessings pass by unnoticed. Taking a few moments each week to intentionally focus on gratitude can shift everything. It helps people appreciate what they have, rather than dwelling on what they lack. This week, many are grateful for the simple things, like the sound of rain outside and the warmth of a good cup of coffee. A friendly chat with a neighbor can make the day better. Health is also something to be grateful for, as it allows people to get out and enjoy the world around them. And most importantly, people are grateful for the support of family and friends, for the laughter and the quiet moments. Practicing gratitude turns what people have into enough. It helps replace feelings of anxiety with feelings of peace. It trains brains to look for the good in every situation, even the difficult ones. As the weekend wraps up, take a moment for yourself. Find a quiet spot, take a deep breath, and think of 3 things you're grateful for today. Maybe it's a small victory at work, a good song on the radio, or just the chance to rest.